Today, I am taking you through one of the great foundations of classic French sauce making, demi-glace. We are starting from the very beginning with the bones, vegetables, and aromatics, and slowly building the color, gelatin, flavor that makes this sauce so useful in a professional kitchen. And this video is only the beginning. From this demi-glace, I will be continuing the series with Bordelaise, mushroom sauce, pepper sauce, and pickle sauce. So keep following the series because once you understand the base, you can create so many different sauces from it. For the stock, I am using a mixture of different bones. Some still have quite a bit of meat attached, including neck and tail pieces. For the vegetable, I am keeping everything quite large. There is no need for small perfect cuts. The vegetables are going to roast and cook for a long time in the stock. I am using here some carrots, white onion, celery together with the aromatic. Then for the aromatic, we have the bouquet garni, black pepper, tomato paste, and garlic. Now we bring everything together. The bones and vegetables need proper roasting. We are not simply heating them. We want them deep roasted and caramelized because this is where much of the character of the finished sauce comes from. I will be roasting them first in a preheated oven of 200 degrees Celsius for around 1 hour. One thing you will notice is that I don't add my tomato paste right at the beginning. I prefer adding it partway through the roasting. Tomato paste can burn quite easily if it stays in the oven for too long. And once it burns, it can introduce bitterness into the stock. There is a big difference between good caramelization and burning. We want deep color and flavor without that bitter taste. After 1 hour, I took them out of the oven, turned them, rubbed them with the tomato paste, and then returned them back to the oven for further caramelization. If you enjoy learning the reason behind each step rather than simple following a recipe, subscribe and follow this series. After the demi-glace, I will show you how I use this base to make bordelaise, mushroom sauce, pepper sauce, and pickle sauce, step by step from a real restaurant kitchen. While the tray is still warm, I pour some water to loosen everything from the bottom so that all of that flavor can go back into the stock. This is one of those small steps that makes a very big difference. This is the result after 9 hours of slow cooking. I allowed it to rest for at least 2 hours before straining it. At this stage, what we have here is called demi-glace stock. Then place it in the refrigerator overnight. This helps to separate the fat from the stock and make it easier to remove using a ladle or a spoon. At this stage, what we have here is called demi-glace stock. Now look closely at the stock. You can see the sign of the natural gelatin we extracted from the bones. That is exactly what you want. This gelatin is part of what will eventually give the finished sauce its beautiful body and texture. But we are only halfway there. The next step is reduction. Now we reduce. As water slowly evaporates, everything becomes more concentrated. The flavor, the color, and the natural gelatin. This is where our brown stock gradually develops into a rich sauce base we are looking for. And this is also why demi-glace takes long time. You cannot really rush this process and expect the same flavor. After reduction, I strain one more time. This brings that delicious and glassy demi-glace sauce to life. If you enjoy learning professional kitchen techniques like this, I also have a free guide available on my website. It is called the Calm Kitchen Starter Guide, and I created it to help you work with more organization, calm, and confidence in the kitchen. You can find the link below and download it completely for free. You can also preserve this in the freezer to be used for later days. In the next series, I am going to show you how to transform a demi-glace stock into a Bordelaise sauce. If this video helped you, subscribe and join me for the next one where we turn this foundation into a complete different sauce. Good sauce making is really about building flavor step by step. Good bones, proper roasting, good caramelization, time, gelatin, and careful reduction. Once you understand this foundation, you are no longer simply following a sauce recipe. You understand how the sauce is built. See you in my next video.